tracking right in the middle of
In
those.
between them or something. It doesn't really, honestly, it doesn't matter if it's married to this one, married to that one. In between them, you just need it along the same path.
Okay.
So remember with this,
So bevel down.
yeah, bevel down, and you just, you know, you have to be committed.
So this is the fix.
Be confident. Go till you pop,
Did
and then
pop.
stop.
Okay.
Get a nice tunnel. Be sure about your tunnel. Watch your eyes. Yeah, a little lower. Yep.
Okay.
Grab your cheek and go for the nasolabial. Just push through. Yep. Okay. Good.
Very nice.
Let me just see if it can go a little forward. Okay. Okay. So now, yeah, just twist it maybe once, and you want to mold the cheek up. Yeah. Hold,
Oh, yeah.
Thanks. Holding it. Now pull it out. But don't touch near the end. Don't touch near the hole,
Okay.
because we want to be able to cut that. Down. You know, press down on that so that you get rid of some of this. We just don't want it ending up with the dermis and being irritating. No. Yeah. This. You need to get
Oh, press down with the
Press down with
scissors.
this.
I thought you meant
to,
my hand.
yeah,
Okay.
just make a little and then just, yeah, that's all.
Okay.
Because we don't want it right up at the dermis,
Got it.
stabbing her going in there. So the only thing I saw you do, like initially, like you kept your tunnel here, but then you were advancing further down.
And I didn't have enough.
And you
of
didn't
a
have,
tunnel.
yeah. And so, you know, as a result, you might be not quite at the same depth. It's fine. There's nothing wrong with this run, but it could be more perfect if you had
Pinch
bunched
lower.
and stabilized as you advanced lower.
Okay.
So you were holding up here, advancing, and then you kept going
Yeah.
without grabbing this.
Okay.
And so there will be a little bit of a tendency as you do that for it to be more superficial because you didn't create the same tunnel.
Yeah.
Okay?
Okay.
Feed the thread in. And yeah, you're squeezing the bottom. Maybe you're giving the cannula a little rotation. You're just,
Don't you want to
wanna-
push the thread
it's-
through a little bit?
Yeah, she
Yeah,
did. She
yeah,
pushed,
yeah.
maybe
You
push
did?
the thread
Did you
again.
push the thread through?
And where you want to squeeze is right at the end because the opening is down here somewhere. It doesn't help you to squeeze up here.
Yeah.
You got to squeeze it lower. And twist it and see if it's disappearing. It is. Be careful about, yeah. You drop. Do you want her lower or
No,
the height?
this is
Okay,
perfect.
yeah.
So watch
Always
your elbow. That's
watch,
the-
watch the dropping elbow because as soon
Right.
as you do that, the thread's
No, it's a
coming
good,
superficial. So you want to scoop that whole little roll. Go
Okay.
in this way, come out that way, and get as much of a bite as you can.
Okay.
Yeah, whether you go top down or this way up, it's whatever, but just go where she's numb. Get a good bite of that tissue.
Like there.
Yep. Good. Come out the other end where she's numb. Yep. Good. And if you're happy with that, then that's your bite.
Yep.
If you go more superficial, what's going to happen is it's going to look more tugged. So if you get as you know a nice deep bite, that's just going to look softer. Okay.
And so this goes through
This,
here.
yeah, you're just guiding it through. All right. Okay, that's enough.
That's
Now
really
pull.
cool.
Now pull there. You're just using that as a guide. So
Oh my gosh.
push through. Yeah, it's just helping you guide
Oh,
through.
wow, wow.
Okay. Now just watch the end of that. Yep.
How's it for you?
Just watch your shoulder.
Watch out for the
Watch your
knees.
shoulder.
Okay.
Pull through. Good. Just like this, just like Raggedy Ann. There we go. Okay. Now your assistant's going to control the other end.
Okay.
So you
Which
pick
one
an
do you wanna
end.
start with?
Which one do you want to start with? The lower one.
Probably this one.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So what's the
I
key?
go back through
Nope.
the
So
hole.
what's the key here?
Bevel.
Nope, there's no bevel on this.
Oh, okay.
The key here is you have to not catch dermis. So you actually want to track this. We'll probably raise the bed. Track this right along the thread.
Okay.
If you start immediately going this way, you're probably going to catch dermis. So we just want to get through dermis, tracking there.
Okay.
Do you want me to raise the bed?
Yeah, a
Raise
little bit.
the-
That would be great.
Tell me when.
I do. A little bit more. Okay, perfect. Yeah. Okay. So,
So you
dermis.
can hold it, yeah, wherever you want to. But what I do, let me show you again. I pick this up
Oh, pick it up.
so I can see
The hole.
the hole, and I can see where the thread is, and I can follow that thread past the dermis, and then I turn around.
Okay.
All right, so there won't be any dermal bridging. All right, So pick the thread up out of your way, get it, follow it into the dermis. Like, did you follow along it? But, okay, let me show you. Pick this up, because we don't want to go like deep.
Yeah.
Okay. So we just have to follow the thread through the dermis and then immediately turn around. Okay.
Sorry.
It's okay.
Maybe I'm holding too far up
Yeah,
on the needle.
I think I'm tending to hold it. Yeah,
Yeah.
just right there. Perfectly fine. There you go. Now just get, I feel it should be a smooth pass because you're following the hole you already made. There you
Yep,
go.
right there.
Did you feel that?
Yep.
Okay, you know you're now turn that way, and now you got to stabilize the skin as you pass.
Okay.
Nope. So I'm gonna. This one is a little different. I'm gonna show you again. Now, I want to do this.
Tighten it.
Yeah, you don't have to make a tunnel now.
Okay.
You're just like advancing, and you're just trying to keep a consistent depth. So you don't bunch it. You actually flat make a curved surface flat with your hand, and then go forward. It's conceptually, that's all. Yeah, give it a good tug, and you want to be following the curve. And periodically, you kind of lift up, see where you're at. Okay, lift up, see where you're at. See where you're at. Okay. Okay, see where you're at. You're good. All right. Cool. Okay, hold on. Let's stop. Can you turn your head just a little bit this way? All right, now lift up, see where you're at. You're good. Nice, consistent depth.
Okay.
So go a little further. And you're just subtly changing your angle to follow the curve. Just subtly changing your angle to follow the curve. Okay, lift up, see where you're at. Good. All right. You go just about there. You want this one down, the lower one.
Okay.
So come here. There you go. Lift up. Okay, see if you can come out now. Watch my finger.
Oops, I think I'm a little too high.
Yeah. Sorry. Go a little lower. It's a needle so you can reposition. You have to stabilize the skin. So let me just check your depth here. Hold on.
Maybe
You're only
too
here.
deep.
Well, you're only here. You're just
Right, I just pulled
All
out
right,
to
so
try and
yeah.
try
So
and
yeah, so you're good here.
realign.
You know, you're good. So now I would go a little further and poke through. There we go. Okay. Now before you go all the way through, you just make sure you're happy with that. Okay, we're happy enough with that, so we can pull.
You were a clamp or something.
She's good. This
Oh,
one's
good.
easy. Yeah.
Good job, Kelly.
And you just,
Thanks, Kira.
all right, that looks good. There's not much bridging.
Thank you.